Okay. Good morning, everybody. It is Friday, the 1st of April. Happy April Fool's Day. Today is, here are your announcements for next week, the 5th through the 9th. Now, there's no school on Monday the 5th, but that is Monday, so I always put Monday's date. It is the third week of fourth quarter. Woohoo! Junior high people, here's your stuff. I have linked the website calendar. The band website calendar is here. All of our events are up there, so go check them. Next Friday is a band day. 8th graders, you'll have lessons during 4A. Now, there's state testing going on next week and the week following, so that may be affecting lessons during 4th hour. Not sure exactly how that'll work yet. 5th grade percussion. Since we didn't get to really rehearse this week with me because I was talking to the 4th graders about joining band, let's keep the same groups on the same instruments. So next week, Clara, Ember, Gwen, Chaz, bring your bells. Avery, Maya, Braxton, Allison, bring your snare drum. Addison, Isaac, Elliot, Lucas, bring your snare drum, but I'll be giving you auxiliary percussion like suspended cymbal, bass drum, it's stuff like that. Show choir showcase is April 30th at 6:30 p.m. The call time for performers is 5:30 p.m. That may change, but we'll keep you informed if it does. Additionally, the second night of that is May 1st at 6:30 p.m. We're tentatively having photos at 4 o'clock p.m., but we will again send out verifications for that. If you are quarantined at home, please Zoom in with us during class time. Here is your class schedule. Today is Thursday, so I will see my 5th grade small band, 6th grade small band, and my 8th grade big band. So if you're quarantined, just join us via Zoom. All right, high school kids. Again, that calendar link is there because I've got all of our dates uploaded into Google Calendar, so check that out. Next Friday is a band day, but we will start rotating again between band Fridays and chorus Fridays starting next week as well. Show choir showcase, I talked about that for the junior high kids, April 30th and May 1st. The performances start at 6:30, but you see the call times there for the 30th is 5:30, and the 1st, we're hoping to do pictures at 4 o'clock p.m. We'll keep you in the loop. There is our last marching band performance. It's homecoming, and we're going to recognize seniors. This is this upcoming Saturday, April 3rd. The game starts at 2 o'clock. We will perform for halftime, pregame, and during the first half as a stand band. So that's what we'll be doing as a band. The lunch starts at noon, so if you ordered the fried chicken, then show up at noon. Or if you just want to come hang out, you can come then. 12:45 is when you have to get dressed and in your uniform and all that stuff. The high school band and choir concert is going to be Wednesday, May 5th, Cinco de Mayo, at 7 p.m. I am requesting that you wear nice clothes, and if you have a sombrero, go for it. We will be holding that outdoors at the South Link entrance. That's the one on the main office side, not the football field side. It's near the Circle Drive. Again, here's your marching schedule. You see that Saturday is our last event for this season. Thank you so much, students, for the hard work that you put in making this marching band season what it is. It's been really good for being only 4 weeks long. Lots of positive comments after our football game last week, and I'm looking forward to this one as well. I love you guys. Have a great Easter weekend, and if you need anything, shoot me an email, check the website, yada yada yada. I'm out. Bye, guys.